Hey everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I made this resin charm with the water spots effect. I also added in a water ripple to make it appear that the gold leaf embellishment has fallen into the water. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get started. Start with placing your charm on some sticky tape. Next, we're going to add some clear UV resin onto a silicone mat and a couple of drops of green pigment dye and mix it all up. Then we're going to place the green UV resin into the charm and spread it out. And once it's been spread to the edges, place it under the UV light to let it cure. Next, we're going to squeeze some more clear UV resin onto a silicone mat, add a few drops of white pigment and mix it up. Then we're going to start adding that white UV resin in the charm on top of that green layer. Once the white UV resin has been spread out, immediately get your clear UV resin and start squeezing small dots on top of the white layer. You'll see that the clear UV resin pushes the white pigment away so you can see through to the green layer. Once you finish doing that, put it under the UV light to let it cure. Next, we're going to make the water ripple by squeezing some clear UV resin into the middle of this water ripple mold. Use a needle tool to spread out the resin to about 3/4 of the actual mold so we get a smaller sized ripple. Once you've done that, put it under the UV light to let it cure. Going back to the charm, add on a layer of clear UV resin and some clear glitter and spread it out. Then I'm also going to add in some extremely chunky sand-like glitter into the resin. Once that's all done, put it under the UV light to let it cure. Then we're going to add on another layer of clear UV resin. Get our water ripple piece that we made earlier and place it towards the right hand side. Once you've done that, put it under the UV light to let it cure. Then add some UV resin to a gold leaf embellishment and place right in the middle of the water ripple, making it look like a leaf that has fallen into the water. Next, we'll add on one more layer of UV resin to give it a clear dome effect. Once you spread out the resin, put it under the UV light one last time to let it cure completely. Once it's done curing, you can now remove it from the sticky tape. And there you have it, all done. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please let me know in the comments section what other resin crafts should I attempt to make. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next week. Bye!